I'm a Barbie girl in the Barbie world.
Hey, beauty. You look so good today. Do you want a big kiss from a handsome man like myself?
Give me a break, David. Have you gone crazy? What happened to you?
Yes, I am ecstatic. Over the moon.
Wow, I've never seen you like this. Tell me, why?
Do you remember the famous director at my concert?
Not really. How does he look?
Old, tall, a little bit grumpy.
Ah, yes, I remember. What about him?
Well, he wants to direct a musical play in Japan.
Yeah, and?
He wants me to do an audition for it.
And? Just spill it. I can't stand this anticipation.
Okay. I went to the audition this morning and the director wants me to go to Japan for the performance.
Oh my God! Congratulations, David! This is big news. I always knew you would make it big with that amazing voice of yours.
Thank you, Emily.
Oh, but what about Jessie? What does Jessie think about this? How did she react?
Actually, I haven't told her about it yet. I think she's too sensitive and moody. I need to wait for the right time to tell her. But don't worry about it. It's time to celebrate. Do you want to go dancing with me?
Dancing? You don't like dancing, do you?
Oh, come on. Just this once. Go get dressed up. I want to see you looking like a princess.
What am I missing out on? You two seem excited.
Alice, good timing. Do you want to join us for this celebration? I was chosen as the lead role and I'll be going to Japan for it.
Oh, congrats, David. I'm so happy for you. But what about Jessie?
Jessie. Why is everybody obsessed with Jessie? I'm so ready for the trip, and I'm sure she will be supportive and more than willing to come with me to Japan.
Okay, then when are you leaving?
I'm not sure. Probably in 2 or 3 weeks.
What? And you haven't even told Jessie?
Oh, relax. It's time to party, isn't it?
Sure.
Hello, ladies. What have you been... Oh my god. Why are you two dressed up? That dress looks beautiful on you, Emily. The makeup makes you look older, Alice. Anyway, what's the occasion? Why are you guys putting in so much effort today?
David just got chosen for a play in Japan, Brian. Isn't it exciting?
Well, does Jessie know about this?
She doesn't, but according to David, she would be supportive and totally accepting of his decision to move to Japan.
Wait, what? That's all he can say? How on earth would Jessie be able to agree with that? What is she gonna do in Japan? Her whole life is here.
Ryan, who knows what she will do in Japan? But it's her and David's problem, isn't it? So why are you so worked up about it?
Oops, I don't really care that much. But I just don't think Jessie is going to willingly agree to go to Japan with David.
Well, that's just what you think.
Sure, maybe I'm wrong.
Anyway, there's no use wondering about it. Do you want to join us for David's celebration party?
No, not really. Tell David I'm sorry, okay? But I don't like going out to celebrate tonight.
Whatever, Brian. You don't know what you're missing. Goodbye. Bye, Brian.
Bye.
When can I get the interview, sir? This Friday? All right, that works. Thank you so much, sir. Yes, I got it. See you Friday.
Who was that?
A potential employer. Why do you ask?
Why are you so worried about finding a new job?
Well, I don't want to work as a tour guide at the museum anymore, okay? Can we talk about us instead? Where were you last night? You didn't come home until 3 a.m.
I went out with Emily and Alice.
What for?
I got chosen as the lead role for a musical play in Japan. I met with the director for an audition recently, and I got picked. Too bad you weren't there to witness it. Everything was so amazing. The director shouted out about what a great job I did and told me this role was meant for me. I was so happy. I still am, actually.
I'm really happy for you, David.
You should be happy for us both.
Why so?
Because we're going to Japan together. Build a new life. Just you wait. Only 2 or 3 more weeks to go. You're going with me, right, Jessie?
To Japan? But how? This is a really big surprise. I never expected this.
So what, Jessie? This is obviously a great opportunity for the 2 of us, don't you see? There's nothing holding you back there. You can escape that terrible job of yours.
I know, and I would love a change as well, but not this way. This is too sudden. I'm really conflicted.
Hello, love. What are you cooking? Smells delicious. You want a kiss?
Stop it, Brian.
What's wrong, Emily? Why have you been so cold to me lately?
Nothing, Brian.
It's clearly not nothing if you're acting like this. Tell me what's wrong.
I know everything already, Brian. I saw a photo of you and Jessie. I was cleaning when it fell from your bayonet pocket. I asked Jessie about it.
Oh? Did she say something?
She told me you 2 used to be in a relationship.
It's in the past, Emily.
Do you still miss her now, though, Brian? What about me, Brian? Who am I to you? I thought there was something special between us.
I care about you a lot, Emily. I always think of you as a close friend, a good sister.
I get it now.
I'm so sorry. I don't want to hurt your feelings.
It's okay, Brian. But don't forget that Jessie is moving to Japan with David soon anyway.
Hey, do you come to the gym every day? No, I can't. I have to work. So I come on the weekends. Do you come every day? Yes. Can you lift the weight? Yes, but not very well. Can you help me?
Do you like working out?
Sure.
Can you do aerobics?
I've never tried it.
I can do gymnastics. Can you?
I can't, but my girlfriend can.
Do you do any sports with your girlfriend?
Yes. We both can do karate. We practice every weekend. Where do you work out? I don't work at a gym, but I do a lot of track and field events. What can you do? I can jog a marathon. I can run a 50-meter dash too.
Do you do any other events?
I do the long jump, and I also do the high jump. I can long jump too. Maybe we can practice the long jump together.
Can you go swimming with us today? No, I can't. I have to help my mother. Can you go swimming with us tomorrow? Sure. Do you go swimming every day? No, I go swimming on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Do you like modern climbing?
Sure, I love it. I can climb a 300-meter mountain.
Wow! Do you go climbing every weekend?
No, I don't go mountain climbing when it snows. Do you mountain climb?
No, I can't, but I want to learn. I did not know you could dive. I can't. I'm just learning to dive. Can you dive? Yes, I can, but I'm not very good. So, do you do any other sports? I can play tennis.
Do you play often?
I can't play very often. I have to study every day.
Look at this. This guy's mountain climbing. I cannot do that. It's too dangerous. Do you do any extreme sports?
I can parasail.
Really? Can you skydive?
No, I cannot skydive. I want to learn. I cannot hang glide either.
My boss at work can hang glide. He loves it.
My brother lives in Hawaii. He lives on the beach.
Does he like water sports?
Sure, he can swim and surf.
Does he windsurf?
I'm not sure. His wife also loves water sports. She might.
What does she like?
She likes water polo. She can dive also. They both can scuba dive, and they do it all the time.
What are you doing this Sunday?
I don't have any plans.
Can we go sailing?
No, we can't. We can't use my sister's boat. She's using it on Sunday.
Can we go biking or jogging?
I can't because my foot still hurts.
You can go swimming, right?
Yeah, I can do that. Do you have any hobbies? I like music. I have a large collection of cassette tapes and CDs.
Do you go to concerts?
No, I don't. I usually listen to music at home. Do you have any hobbies?
I hike in the mountains. I go hiking with my brothers every month.
Do you hunt too?
No, but we go bird watching. You look tired. Did you work out? Yeah. Do you work out every day? No, I don't. I work out only on Mondays, Tuesdays, and Thursdays. Do you work out? No, I don't. I watch movies. Do you like movies? No, I don't, but I like music. What do you do in your free time?
Well, I usually do ballet. I go to Bali Square every Tuesday and Thursday night.
Do you do anything else?
I play the guitar. Sometimes I play the piano. What about you? Do you do anything special?
I also like music, so I play the piano too. On the weekends, I usually go hiking or fishing, but I don't go hunting. I don't like it. Have some pizza.
No thank you. I do not like pizza that much.
Well, have some French fries.
I'm sorry, I don't like French fries either.
You don't like French fries? Well, let's see. Here's a hamburger. Try it.
I do not like hamburgers. It's fattening. I'm on a diet.
You don't like pizza. You don't like French fries. And you do not like hamburgers. What do you like?
I like ice cream. Does your boyfriend spend much time with you? Mine doesn't. He's too busy.
What does he do?
He goes to college.
Does he play sports with his friends?
Well, he plays snooker, but not very often.
Does he travel a lot?
No, he doesn't leave town.
Does he study all the time?
No, he doesn't study too much.
What does he do then?
He works 2 jobs. Do you and your classmates have any hobbies?
Sure, I fish, and Tommy, my best friend, hikes in the forest.
Do you hunt animals?
No, I don't. I don't like to kill animals.
Does Tommy hunt?
No, he doesn't.
What about your other classmates? What do they do?
The guys like to camp. They don't camp alone, they camp with friends. What do you do in your free time?
I paint. I don't fish on hikes. I don't like the outdoors.